Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the channel. Coming to you with another short little video, trying to show you guys a little bit of nature, a little bit of peace. What fishing's all about, being peaceful and enjoying nature. You know, I'm in Holly, Michigan, or Holly State Park, I think it's called. But it's a very nice day. The sun's not out that much, but the water is very, very clear, and it's just a really nice day to be out on a kayak. You know, this is freedom right here, ladies and gentlemen. Freedom. Kayaking. I think it's one of the best things ever invented. There's nobody around me. Nobody around me for quite a ways. Tell me it's not peaceful, y'all. One of the things that I enjoy most about kayak fishing is just being able to go to places like this where a normal boat can't really get to. This state park doesn't allow motorized vehicles in it, so only electric and kayaks. So let's see if we can cast a rod a couple times. Gotta just running a small jig head, you know, a little crappy jig. See what bites. I still think the water temperature is a little bit too cold. I don't think that the fish are spawning yet. Oops, got snagged. Oh, got out. Oh man. Oh no. There went the tail to my rig. Tail to my rig just broke off, guys. I gotta change it out. Gotta see that.